So this lesson plan will actually cover 2 lessons from the 20th and from the 27th of March, which means there's a lot of stuff to do. But I'll try to make it easy for you and prepare everything. And hopefully soon I will also place a kind of a new file on our Czasy Angielskie website, where I will tell you how many essays you actually need to write this semester, and I will inform you about that via email, so you will know. So so far, however, I'm not very pleased with the fact that I didn't get almost any pieces of writing from you. So I hope you can make up for it in the meantime and write those essays, because you have a lot of work to do. And now these 2 days, 20th and 27th, we'll actually write one more essay. So I hope you can write it, because you're lagging behind. Okay, let's start. So first, we need to write the essays, write your homework essays, and then we're starting with our new lesson plan. And today we're gonna do some more stuff. You have a lot of materials that I placed for you on the website, Czasy Angielskie. So you have all the materials there. There's a new lesson plan with new materials to download and read and analyze. Okay, let's move on. So we're here. We're in the intro and the agenda section. That should take us about 5 minutes. So now it's this part of the lesson. You have to read the disadvantages of the modeling industry, essay example that I gave you, and the advantages of online education. So that means we will be preparing ourselves for writing a well, right now you're going to just write a short 150-word paragraph. So you do that on your own. You don't have to send it to me. This is something you do it just on your own, and just to I up and remind yourself how to write a disadvantages and advantages paragraph. So you do that on the basis of these 2 articles that I placed on the website. You download them, read them, analyze them, and you will see what the structure is like. And the topic you will so the structure is very easy. It's just like a regular paragraph, so you don't have to worry about this. Just a 150 word. You put a topic, sentence, body, paragraph, and then the concluding sentence. Not the paragraph, just sentence, because that's just a small paragraph. Okay, this is just a paragraph that you write. Here's the material for the paragraph. 2 short YouTube movies that you have to watch to know how to write these. Small paragraph about the disadvantages of watching disadvantages and advantages of watching YouTube. Yeah, so that's what you write here. You watch the 2 movies and you don't have enough material to write, and read the 2 articles, and then you will have enough material to write this short paragraph about the disadvantages and advantages of watching YouTube. Okay, so that's this section. You gather the materials and write a short paragraph about disadvantages and advantages of YouTube, and you don't have to send it to me. This is just for you. Let's move on. Then we are preparing ourselves to write a advantages and a comparison or contrast essay. We've already covered it in class, but I will still give you some pieces of advice how to write it. So you have some information here that you can read and acquaint yourself with how to write this comparison contrast essay. Yeah. Here you have I prepared for you kind of a template. You can use it, you don't have to use it. This is a template for you which you can use or you don't, but you don't have to. Okay, you can find different body. These are the little paragraphs that you will write in this essay. I think that should be about yeah, let's do it about 400 words. Okay, 450 words. Around that. Could be less, could be more, but just something around that. If you really don't know how to write it, write a shorter one. If you know how to do it, you can write about 450 words. Okay, so this is the skeleton for your essay. Do it this way or some. I mean, you need to stick to this kind of skeleton when it comes to structure, but you can have different arguments here. Okay, different comparison, contrasting points. Yeah. So that's basically the end of the first lesson, and the second lesson is the actual presentation of our topic and materials. So we're going to write a comparison and contrast essay about socialism versus capitalism. So this is going to be a nice topic for you, and I have a lot of materials prepared for you, so you can get a lot of materials. So this part is about this is one movie that I put here for you to analyze, and I analyzed it for you already, so you just read the analysis and watch the movie carefully, okay, so that you have enough materials to write this essay. You have to watch the movie to analyze my points that I wrote for you here, to kind of know what's in there and analyze it properly. And there's part 2. We have more materials for the essay. There's another short movie on YouTube about socialism in Sweden and how it developed, and then it kind of was winding down a little bit in the 90s and 2000s, and how it impacted their economy. And there's also an article, which this is a summary of the article from a Wall Street Journal, so you can actually read the summary of that article, and this will also give you some information about the essay. And then you have enough information from here and from our movie that we discussed here, and you can write this essay about contrasting and comparison and contrast essay about socialism versus capitalism. Okay, so this is for you, and that's basically it. So these are the 2 lessons that we covered last time. I mean, that we covered right now, that we were supposed to have last time, and on the 20th. So the 20th and the 27th. So this is the lesson for you. Read all the section, watch all the movies. There's going to be a lot of interesting stuff here for you guys. And yeah, just remember about the essays, because we need to write. You need to write them. We need to write some stuff to be better at it. And okay, so have a good time writing it and analyzing it and learning about this stuff. If you have any questions, write to me. But this is really self-explanatory. It's simple stuff here. Everything is given to you, so you just have to watch it, analyze it, and write it. Thank you.